Determining the amount of tax withheld using Form W4. You started a new job, you have to fill out Form W4. Well, you are in the right place. We are going to go over the importance of filling out Form W4 and how you should fill that form out. But before we begin, welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back. Make sure you check out the income tax refund playlist as well as the child tax credit playlist pinned in the comment section as well as in the description box for all of your most recent updates and loads of helpful tutorials like tips to speak with the IRS, how to schedule in-person appointments, and much more. Make sure to check those videos out. Now, this information, as always, is being shared from irs.gov. Public information available to you as well. Make sure you search in the search bar on irs.gov Form W4. The amount of income tax your employer withholds from your regular pay depends on three things: the amount you earn in each payroll period, your payroll period, and the information you give your employer on Form W4. Now, Form W4 includes 4 steps that will give information to your employer to figure your withholding. Complete steps 2 through 4 only if they apply. Step 1. Enter your personal information, including your anticipated filing status. For example, single, head of household, married filing jointly, married filing separately, and so forth. Your anticipated filing status will determine the standard deduction and tax rates used to figure your withholding. Now, step 2 states, complete this step if you hold more than one job at a time, or you are married and plan to file a joint return and your spouse also work. The IRS have a cautionary note that if you or your spouse have another job, complete steps 3 through 4 on only one Form W4, stating that your withholding will be most accurate if you do this on the Form W4 for the highest paying job. Now, step 3, complete this step if you have dependents and you think you may be eligible to claim the child tax credit or credit for other dependents on your tax return. Also, complete this step if you want to include an estimate of your other tax credits, for example, an education credit or the foreign tax credit. Now, moving on to step 4, complete this optional step to make other adjustments, for example, other income not from jobs, deductions other than the standard deduction, and any additional amount you want to withhold from your paycheck. Like if you wanted the IRS to take out more withholding, you can add on an extra $5, $10, $20. It's up to you. Now, new jobs. When you start a new job, you must fill out a Form W4 and give it to your employer. Your employer should have copies of the form. If you need to change the information later, you must fill out a new form. If you work only part of the year, for example, you start working after the beginning of the year, too much tax may be withheld. You may get a blank form, a blank W form from your employer, or you can print one from the irs.gov website. All right. Also, the IRS has a tip here that you can use the tax withholding estimator at irs.gov /W4 app. All right. Instead of the worksheet or publication on the website to determine whether you need to have your withholding increase or decrease. All right, you should try to have your withholding match your actual tax liability. If not enough tax is withheld, you will owe tax at the end of the year and may have to pay interest and a penalty. If too much tax is withheld, you will lose the use of that money until you get your refund. Always check your withholding if there are personal or financial changes in your life or changes in the law that might change your tax liability, and you can always be updated. Searching table 1-1 for examples on the IRS.gov website. Note, you can't, all right, the IRS states here, you can't give your employer a payment to cover federal income tax withholding on salaries and wages for past pay periods or a payment for estimated tax. So that must be done directly to the IRS. You cannot do it yourself. That's why it's important for you to fill out Form W4 to give it to your employer at the start of all new jobs. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for all of the information that matters to you most. Tax refund updates, stimulus updates, motivational Monday, as well as check out the playlist on how you can get your credit report free from all 3 major credit bureaus. All right, and I will see everyone again very soon. Bye bye.